Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 15th of June. The euro dropped against the dollar to 124.47 from 126.46 as investors are worried about the upcoming election in Greece on Sunday, June the 17th. Negative sentiment dominates the markets and world equities turned lower. The Greeks will be asked to consider the harsh austerity measures and the country remaining in the eurozone. The initial optimism following Spain's bailout deal quickly faded, weighed by Spanish sovereign bond markets, which reacted negatively to the announcement. Investors fear that the weekend bailout deal for Spanish banks may only work as a temporary solution for the country's problematic banking sector. The US dollar strengthened on a heightened risk aversion in the market. The greenback is now supported by higher demand for the safe haven currency, but expectations the Federal Reserve could embark on a third round of quantitative easing may put the greenback under pressure. Versus the safe haven Japanese yen, the greenback jumped to 79.66 from 79.16 as investors remain cautious that the Bank of Japan may step in the markets to weaken the yen. Focus now turns to the US monthly budget statement. The British pound fell against the dollar to 154.61 from 155.81, weighed by the debt problems in the eurozone. Eyes now turn to today's industrial and manufacturing production figures that will show if the UK economy is recovering from its economic slowdown. Worse than expected figures may weigh further on the sterling on expectations that the Bank of England may need to expand its asset purchase programme in order to boost its economy. Looking at commodities, oil edged lower to $80.71 a barrel from $86.47. Gold dropped to $1,581.87 from $1,604.91, and against the euro slid to €1,279.37 from €1,273.19. Silver edged higher to $28.28 from $28.96. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 125.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 125.30. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 79.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 79.10. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9940 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9940. The sterling dollar pivot points are 155.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 155, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.30. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot points at 83.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 83.20. The gold pivot points at 1575 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1575, and the silver pivot points at 28 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the UK industrial production forecast to come out at 0.1%, UK manufacturing production forecast to come out at 0%, and the US monthly budget statement forecast to come out at minus 125 billion. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 0.05%, the DAX was up 0.17%, and the CAC was down 0.29%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 1.26% and the Dow was down 1.14%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.02% and the Hang Seng was down 0.61%. It's been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.